Flatbread in the skillet or griddle. Dr. John A. Allocca. June 14, 26. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Recipe: 3 cups Molino Grassi organic 00 all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon Celtic sea salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil, plus some for the skillet, 2 cups filtered water. Mix all dry ingredients in a bowl using a whisk. Add olive oil after the dry ingredients are mixed. Add water and mix until the dough has a smooth and loose consistency. Preheat a skillet or griddle with a thick bottom at medium, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, temperature 6, on a double griddle. Spray a little olive oil on the skillet or griddle pan. Pour batter into the skillet, making 4-inch size pieces, and cook for approximately 8 minutes or until the bottom of each piece is slightly brown. Holes will begin to form. Turn the pieces over and cook again for approximately 5 minutes or until the bottom of each piece is slightly brown. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Mind-Body Reset Code. Transform your life with the Mind-Body Reset Code.